Welcome to Mim's Life. Today we're doing a prank. A big one. Hey. Now I will say though, I seen a video of this and I jumped on it. But their video caught the prank caught on fire, and we're just gonna hope that doesn't happen here.
But if it does,
stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we're outside on the porch. We're about to test it and see if it works. Let's hope it doesn't catch on fire.
We've put just a little bit in there for now, just to see how it does. So here's the test. It ain't even working. How do you work one of these? It's gonna be a test run. Alright, this is gonna be a test run. Alright guys, the test run did work. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and fill this bad boy up with baby powder.
How do you think she's gonna react?
I think she's gonna be probably pretty mad, in my opinion, because this is a woman's hair we're talking about.
Alright, I'm gonna be sitting on my bed and I'm just gonna video her without her knowing. My bed. She's talking.
Oh, come here. Oh my. What the? Babe! I think the blood dryer's on fire. Come here. Come here. What is that smell?
Face of a pissed off girl.
Y'all did this. Y'all, it smells like it's burning. What the f*** broke the blow dryer now? How the hell am I gonna finish this y'all do this for?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Is that really necessary? Pouting. Don't be mad. It's just the hair dryer.
My freaking hair is gonna be wet and it's gonna be nasty and ugly wavy in random spots.
Oh honey, your hair's always like that.
Oh. I understand why they had to do that. Now I don't have a blow dryer, so we're fixing to have to go buy one, and you're buying it because that's your brother that did that to me.
You're not getting one.
Alright guys, well, I guess you can see she's mad, so we're gonna just be hanging out in the room for the rest of the night with Bug. Bug? So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see, what you think, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys later. Bye.